Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change Roblox death sound. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. As you know, Roblox changed the death sound effect. Here is what the new sound effect sounds like. Open Roblox. You can see the new sound over here. In this video, I show you guys how to restore old sound and set any sound as death effect. I show you guys how to do that. In the description of the video, I put Minecraft villager death sound effect and Lego Yoda death sound effect as an example. And of course, I put the old Roblox sound effect guys in a file. If you want to use another sound effect, you need to change the format of the sound file. You want to use OGG. Now click on the link I left in the description of this video. Click on the link and you will be getting this link. Click on the download option and download it guys. After getting downloaded zip folder, you just need to go to the folder. Click on the folder icon. Now close out of the web browser. Now extract it guys, right click on it and select extract all. Select extract. Now we have extracted that Roblox sounds guys. Now you just need to drag and drop to desktop these sounds. Drag and drop to desktop. After saving in desktop, you just need to close out of here. Now we just need to locate Roblox folder guys. To do this, go to File Explorer, go to this PC, go to Local Disk C and double click on the program files x86 and now search for Roblox folder, double click on it, double click on the versions. Now in here both versions are here guys. You just need to click one by one and check whether has more folders in here. Versions 2 folder, in here we have more folders. We have the content folder over here. Double click on it and now double click on the sounds folder. You just need to, the same way you just need to locate in your PC guys. The audio file we just need to change it is here guys. I will open it. Now we just need to change this audio file to another file guys. To do this, now you can listen to the sound effect in the downloaded file and use it what you like. I'm gonna use it, play it one by one and check it what you like it. You need to listen carefully guys. The name of the sound file we will use should be ouch.org. If your file is not named as ouch.org, you may have to face problem guys. Now we need to delete the sound inside the Roblox sound folder. You just need to right click on the ouch and select delete it guys. I'm gonna replace ouch1 in this folder guys. That's why we just need to rename it guys. Right click on it and select rename it. Just need to backslash this one. Just need to name this ouch only. Click on S and now you just need to drag and drop into the folder in the Roblox sound folder. Click on continue. After saving inside of it, you just need to right click on it and select rename it guys. You just need to name it as ouch. Press enter. Click on change. After changing it, as you can see, we have changed the sound now guys. Now we just need to enter the Roblox player. Now we just need to close the Roblox player for now. Now we just need to enter the Roblox player and check the sound has been changed or not. Now you can see my Roblox sound has been changed. This way you just need to change it guys. Now our sound effect has successfully changed guys, as you can see now. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.